Hello everybody and welcome back to part 5 of creating an e-commerce site in React. I'm Akshat and this is my YouTube channel where I upload videos about programming and I try to explain it in a very simple manner. So now let's just get started, and basically what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be basically creating the checkout component. So what we have right now is just this H1, right? So if we come over here to the home page, this is how it looks. And then if we click on this cart icon, it takes us to the checkout page or the checkout route. And it just says checkout, right? We don't really want that. We want a checkout component. So checkout, like so. Just do that. And we obviously need to create that component. So here inside of components, we'll create a new folder called checkout. There you go. And then a file, which is going to be the actual component. So checkout.js and checkout.css. There you go. And here inside of checkout.js, what we want to do is just do underscore RAFCE to basically create the actual component. So underscore RAFCE, there you go. And then inside of app.js, what we want to do is here just do control space and oops, not that. Okay, it doesn't actually give me the auto import. The reason being I haven't saved this. There you go. Now it should give me the auto import. So okay, you know what, we'll just import it manually. It didn't give me the auto import, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So import checkout from, so we're in the app, so we need to go inside of the components. Okay, so I've got an extension called tab9 and it's just helping me a lot to code right here. So you can install it if you want, and it's really useful actually. Okay, so we have imported checkout now, so let's save that, come here, and we'll just do, first, we need to give this div a class name, of checkout, boom, and then import the CSS. So import ./checkout.css, there you go. Now we're going to put in the CSS and the actual contents that we need for the checkout page. So come back here, checkout.css, paste, boom, and then checkout.js, the actual component, which we want to paste this in. Now we just want to change some stuff over here. So first we have an image. Here we want to give this an alt of like checkout add. Okay, and then we can get rid of this, and this, boom. And then we can get rid of this div because let's just say there will be one item in your shopping cart, and we can get rid of this basket.item.stuff. And then here, so this is going to be just another component, and here for the actual data, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to home.js and just copy all of that in. So paste that and boom, there you go, you've got that. Now we can close down home.js and there you go. But now we need to create the checkout product. So here inside of the checkout folder, we will create another folder called checkout product, and then the files that we need, which will be checkout product.js and obviously the CSS file. Boom, there you go. That's what we want, okay? Here we can actually just close down the app.js, and what we want after that is just import the, actually create the component first. So underscore RAFCE, save, come here, auto import. Okay, it's not giving me the auto import. So let's import that manually. So import checkout product from ./checkout product /checkout product.js. There you go. You don't actually need the .js, it's just checkout product. You can just write that. After that, what we want to do is actually build checkout product.js. So that's exactly what we're going to do. And also we can just save this, get rid of that, close it. And also one more thing that I just want to do here is going to be here. I'm just going to create another div called checkout with the class name of checkout underscore right. And then inside that div, we will actually have, for now, h1 subtotal. It's going to be a component that we will create in the next video. So now we can actually close even that, and now we can focus just on the checkout product component. So we will come back here, paste this in, and this component, it'll actually take a few props. So it's going to be ID, price, rating, image, title. So it'll take those props, and we will just have an image, source of image, which is the prop right here, and then info, yeah, that's just p tag with the title, and then here the price, just a small tag with a rupee symbol. You can just do dollars, pounds, whatever you want, and then this. So this is basically just for like the rating. So if I give, we need to open up checkout again then. Okay, checkout. If I give the rating of like 4 or 3 or something like that, it will actually update over here. So after that, I'm actually going to show that in action in just some time. So we can just get rid of that function because we haven't created it yet, and then we can save that and then paste in the CSS. Okay, paste that in, boom, save it, and now if we come back here, then as you can see, it's 5 stars now. Okay, that isn't actually properly styled. I don't know why. Okay, haven't imported the CSS. Import /checkout product.css. Now it should be properly styled. So let's wait, and hopefully it should load up. Or did I type something wrong? No. And boom. That's how it looks. Awesome, right? So now it's at 5 stars. But here in checkout, if I update the rating to be 4 or 3 or whatever you want, then a star should actually go away. So it takes a while to load, not a problem. And there you go. 1 star went away, and that's awesome. So that's exactly what we want, and obviously this button, it doesn't really work yet, and yeah. So checkout product, the button, I'll just give it a cursor pointer too. Cursor pointer, I can type pointer, there you go. Save, come back here, and okay, there's a hover effect. And then I'm just going to do padding of like 3 pixels. So yeah, that looks a little better, but let's just do 6 pixels. There you go. Now yeah, looks good. And I kind of want a border radius of 4 pixels. Border dash radius 4 pixels. There you go. Okay, and then yeah, that looks good. And also here we can apply the same styles to that one too. So what I'm going to do is just copy that in, and then inside of product.css, what we want to do is right here, boom, paste that in, save it, come back here, and now yeah, I like this button more. And yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. So in this video we created the checkout component, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.